especially speaking about the national capital. Of course, this is another day that we have been talking about this thick, dense layer of toxic smog that has now surrounded Delhi and reducing the visibility. Even when it comes to the dip in temperatures that have now been reported, you can see many of those areas, not just the hotspots. The air quality index has also crossed the 500 mark. That means in the hazardous category. The strictest graded response action plan, that is stage 4, the restrictions that have been currently put in place where construction activities have been stopped, schools have been asked to shift to online classes, air quality across Delhi has deteriorated with several air monitoring stations that are touching the 500 mark, and of course getting you the ground situation. Rishabh and Mohit, my colleagues, are also getting you exactly when it comes to one of the major factors contributing to rising levels of air pollution is also when it comes to burning of parali or stubble burning, and several such cases that have been reported from many states.
Another morning, another problematic AQI in the national capital. On an average, the AQI levels in whole over Delhi is between 495 to 500. We are here at the Kartavya Path, and you can see that though the visibility has gotten better since yesterday, but if you see the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament, the South Block, North Block is still not visible from the India Gate circle. And this showcases that though the visibility has gotten better as compared to what it was yesterday, the visibility is yet not the way it should be. The war of words between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP has intensified, while the centre or the BJP for that matter has been aggressive against the Aam Aadmi Party for the situation in the national capital. The Aam Aadmi Party and the Chief Minister Atishi has been blaming the centre for not doing enough to ensure clean air in the national capital. While both the parties get into the tug of war on pollution, the residents of national capital and the national capital region for that matter are compelled to breathe poisonous air.
Well, let's tell you, when it comes to this latest stage where the Supreme Court also pulled up the Delhi government saying that it has been too late when it comes to implementing the GRAP 4 stage is concerned, what exactly are the restrictions that have now been put in place and what all is exempted? Let's put that out for our viewers. Now, restriction, especially when it comes to the entry of trucks into Delhi, that has now been stopped. Exemption is the trucks that have been carrying essential commodities that has now been allowed inside the Delhi NCR. We also talk about LNG, CNG, electric, BS6, diesel trucks that they can enter the national capital. Now, talking about another restriction is that the ban on diesel run medium heavy goods vehicles as well. They have been now stopped from entering the national capital. However, vehicles carrying essential commodities that have been allowed to enter. Another restriction that has been continued from GRAP 3 stage is ban on construction and demolition activities that has been seen in GRAP 3. However, there is no exemption to this. All construction activities have been put to a halt. Also, another restriction is stopping physical classes even for classes 6 to 9 and 11. However, all of the classes have now been shifted to online mode as being stated by the Delhi Chief Minister. With restrictions, especially when it comes to work from home, this is also another appeal that has been made for 50% employees in the government, municipal and private offices not to travel. However, this decision has been left to the NCR state governments and the GNCTD to decide whether they want the employees physically present in office or they want them or they allow them to work from home. No wonder this is how the Supreme Court also then pulled up the Delhi government and directed them not to withdraw the GRAP 4 restrictions without the court's prior permission. The top court questioned the Delhi government, saying that the government should have immediately stepped in.
बुजुर्ग सांस नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो रहे हैं, बच्चे सांस नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को सांस लेने के लिए स्टेरॉइड्स की जरूरत पड़ रही है, इनहेलर की जरूरत पड़ रही है। क्यों? इसलिए क्योंकि देश भर में पराली जल रही है। एक एक राज्य में, पंजाब, हरियाणा, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान, आज हर जगह पराली जलाई जा रही है और केंद्र सरकार हाथ पे हाथ धरे बैठी हुई है। आज पूरे नॉर्थ इंडिया को एक मेडिकल इमरजेंसी में धकेल दिया गया है।
अभी दिल्ली के अंदर प्रदूषण के स्तर बढ़ने के बाद 12 बजे ग्रैप 4 को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए हमने जो भी कंसर्निंग विभाग हैं उनके शीर्ष अधिकारियों की बैठक बुलाई थी, लेकिन लापरवाही इतनी ज्यादा है कि प्रदूषण का स्तर इतने खतरनाक लेवल पे पहुंचने के बाद भी कोई भी सीनियर अधिकारी मीटिंग में नहीं पहुंचा।